Hello, adventurers, and welcome to our magical musical jungle. Have you ever wondered what kind of music the jungle makes? It's not just the chirping of birds or the rustle of leaves. Today, we're going to meet some very special animal friends who are starting their very own band. Are you ready to join them? Great, let's go. Deep in the heart of the jungle, where the trees stretch up to the sky, lived Leo the lion. Leo had a magnificent roar, deep and powerful, but he also had a secret passion. He loved to sing. One sunny morning, he decided he didn't want to sing alone anymore. "I'm going to start a band," he declared to the jungle, "the most amazing band the world has ever heard." His first stop was by the river, where he found Ellie the elephant. Ellie was gently spraying water with her trunk, making a big, booming sound. "Wow, Ellie," roared Leo, "that sounds incredible. It's like a giant drum." "That's called the beat, or the rhythm. It's the heartbeat of music. It makes you want to tap your feet and dance. Will you be the drummer for our band?" Ellie trumpeted with joy, a resounding yes, and thumped her foot on the ground, creating a steady, wonderful beat. Boom, boom, boom. Next, they wandered into a grove of bamboo trees. Swinging from a vine was Mikey the monkey, who was tapping on the hollow bamboo stalks with a stick. He was making a series of quick, light sounds. Tap-a-tap-a-tap. "Mikey, that's fantastic," said Leo. "You're playing percussion. Those quick little notes you're playing add so much fun and energy to the music. You can keep the rhythm with Ellie and add your own special flair." Mikey chattered excitedly and joined the group, his bamboo sticks at the ready. Now they had rhythm, but Leo knew they needed something more. They needed melody. A melody is the part of the song you can hum or sing along to. Just then, they heard a beautiful, floating sound coming from the canopy above. It was Penny the parrot, whistling a lovely tune. Her song went up and down, a sweet and catchy series of notes. "Penny, that's it," Leo called out. "That's the melody. Your whistling is so beautiful. Will you be our lead singer and whistler?" Penny flew down, puffed out her chest proudly, and sang her tune again. The jungle band was starting to sound amazing, but there was still one missing piece. "We need harmony," Ellie rumbled softly. Harmony is when different notes are played at the same time to create a rich, full sound. As if on cue, a slow, gentle tune drifted from a nearby thicket. It was Sheldon the snake, slithering over a row of fallen logs of different sizes. He was using his tail to gently strike them, creating low, deep notes that blended perfectly with Penny's high-pitched melody. "Sheldon, that's beautiful harmony," said Leo. "It's like you're giving our song a big, warm hug. You can be our bass player." Sheldon hissed happily and played his low notes again. Now, the jungle jammers were all together. Leo took a deep breath. "Okay, band, let's put it all together. Ellie, give us the beat." Ellie started her steady, powerful thump. "Mikey, add the percussion." Mikey's quick taps joined in. "Sheldon, let's hear that harmony." Sheldon's low, warm notes filled the air. "Penny, sing your melody." Penny's sweet whistling soared over the top. And finally, Leo added his own deep, rumbling voice, singing along with the tune. The music they made was incredible. It was full of rhythm, melody, and harmony. All the other jungle animals gathered around to listen, swaying and dancing to the amazing sound. The jungle jammers had created their first song, and just like them, you can make music too. Remember the parts: the beat from Ellie the elephant, the fun percussion from Mikey the monkey, the beautiful melody from Penny the parrot, and the warm harmony from Sheldon the snake. Try clapping a beat, humming a tune, or even tapping on different objects to see what sounds they make. Music is everywhere. Thank you for joining our jungle adventure today. I hope you had as much fun as we did. If you enjoyed meeting the jungle jammers, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more musical fun. See you next time.